Hey guys, I really wasn't sure where to put this video on this channel or the other one. I figured since it's a battery, we'll put it on the e-bike channel. The reason I'm pulling this apart is because I love pulling stuff like this that's been made by a factory to get ideas for building my own packs. And one thing I do love about it is the way it's how clean it is. Or this is actually shrink wrap, and I can't get over how clean that cut is. How it's formed. I do love these handles. This is good for like a larger pack if you want to put a handle on it. It's a mixture of plastic and nylon, but it's like super strong. And you could put a good pack on that. Heavy pack would take the abuse. Anyway, let's cut into it, and maybe we'll get some ideas for future packs from this thing. It's just, yeah, it's all shrink wrap. Kind of blown away by that. Let's just strive to make a pack this nice. And it looks like they double insulated it. Wow. Thing is built like a tank. That's the problem with these batteries. If they go uncharged, they get memory. The NiCads are garbage. Before I throw it out, I just wanted to see what it looked like on the inside, build-wise. So that looks like a fuse. So basically, they just isolated a nickel strip and then covered it in plastic, so it won't. I guess so it won't arc out. It's interesting. I've never seen that before. Guess you could do it that way. See if they put insulators on this or not. Or they're just using the whole thing as an insulator. Oh, they got just the paper, that's it. That fuse is kind of cool. This is all nickel. Yep. Yes, it is. So I like the idea for the fuse. If you do get a dead short. Nothing hidden under this stuff, just nickel. Don't see any problems with the batteries on the outside. They put glue, dabs of glue on the inside, so they had some applicator where they could squeeze it in there. Gives a little bit of strength that way. That is an interesting fuse. So it can't be the same gauge as all the other, the nickel, because yeah, no, it isn't. It's a way thinner gauge. It just makes sense, right? I mean, any one of these could pop like a fuse. That is interesting, though. Take a better look at that. Or not. Okay, forget that. Cool. Anyway, I figured I'd just quickly take it apart and show you what I find. I got extra tape on the ends. So there's a thermal diode on this that communicates with the iRobot. If it overheats, shut it down. Cool. Not much to look at there, but I got a few ideas from the like the tabs and everything else. So later, guys.